change the document size, navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top menu. Then you can click on Size. This will bring up different options for you to pick from. If none of these are correct, then you can click on the More Paper Sizes button at the bottom. This will bring up your page setup menu. Make sure the paper is selected, and then you can choose from the drop-down menu for some different sizes, or you can input in your own sizing. You can do this via centimeters, millimeters, inches, etc. Once you've done this, then you want to press on the Apply To and make sure that whole document is selected. And press OK. You can also access that menu by going to the Page Layout tab and clicking on the small arrow on the right-hand corner. This will bring up the Page Setup menu. Again, click on Paper, make any changes you need to, and then press OK.